Hello everyone! In this video we are going to talk about Field Data Replication vibration test. Now let's start with theoretical basics. Field Data Replication, or FDR, is a test type which is used for replicating recorded data from real-life events like explosions, road shaking, transportation, real shocks, and so on. For running FDR tests, we use a special format which is called VAUFX. This format represents a recorded accelerogram from the controller or device channel, but in our software we have a built-in VAUFX file converter, so you can convert your audio, text and CSV tables into desired VAUFX format. So in this video we're going to use a road shaking recording. Here in the screen you can see an accelerogram of the recorded file and its spectrum. As we recorded this signal with ruler equipment and software, we have it in VAUFX file format. Now let's open TestUP and select Field Data Replication test type. We will create a new test. So we press the corresponding button and our first tab is called Files. Here we need to select a signal for replication. We have two ways of adding the files. Using Add button, we can select our VAUFX file. So we select our road shaking recording. Using Input button, we can select text or sound files, and after the selection, we can convert the file to VAUFX. In the converter window, we have a lot of settings. So we can select the sample rate, settings for the encoding, and so on. After we have selected the file, in the bottom of the tab we can see the information about the file, like sample rate, duration, and also we can select a channel for replication. On the right side we see the maximum values for every recorded channel. We can have multiple files added in this tab. After the file selection we go to Schedule tab. Here we have only one main command. It is called play. Let's add this command to our schedule. Here we select the file and the desired time duration for replication of the signal. On the right side we can change the level. As we can have multiple files added to the test, we can add two play commands and play two files one after another during the test run. Now we go to Control tab. This tab is similar to other control tabs, except only one feature. It allows us to ignore transient process finish and run the profile. It is used with charge and IPE sensors. Now we go to the Limits tab and we don't have special features here, so we select our shaker. On the Channels tab we select our channels configuration. On every channel we can enable individual limits for abort lines in RMS and peak. Analysis tab allows us to set recording options for the test. Now we have all our settings done and we can run the test. Let's press start and wait for the startup. Now the test is running and you can see that we are replicating the desired file. That's all for today. I hope you learned something new from the video. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to our channel and press the like button. It will help us to make more videos for the channel. If you have any questions, write us an email and we will answer it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.